Weeks 11 and 13 bring us back to the nutrition care process, introduce the MDS form for long-term care facilities, review the nutritional needs of older adults, and investigate a medical record. There's a lot going on this week, and we did cover this information during the Zoom meeting, so I'm not going to belabor the point, but there is a lot happening, so just take everything step by step and you'll get through it. There are a few MindTap assignments in week 11, all of which are due by the end of the week. Let me scroll to that right now, maybe. Here we go. Okay, and so 11A is a case study about an older gentleman, and I've split that into part 1 and part 2. I've actually added some more details in part 2 as about our patient, so part of a case study added on just a little bit, and that enables you to utilize the Section K form relating to that MDS. So I wanted to include that so you would capture that learning experience. Then we have 3 MindTap assignments, and this last one, 11D, is the post-test for Chapter 16, so be sure to take care of that to prepare you for the next exam. All right, let me go back, and the large medical record assignment is not due until the first Saturday in December. That's at the end of week 13, and of course that's in this particular folder. So again, don't panic about this. Use the search form to help you investigate that medical record, and then we did talk about the nutrition assessment form and the ADIME note at the the Zoom session, and so you'll be able to walk through that as well. All right, let me go back here to the main page. Again, you've got your checklist for the week to make sure that you don't miss anything. And then week 12 encompasses Thanksgiving break. You should continue working on the medical records assignment. Take the checkpoint quiz number 4, which opens the Tuesday before Thanksgiving and remains open for 1 week, closing the Tuesday after Thanksgiving. So have a great week and just take your time working through things.